What's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews back at you with another knife review, and today we're doing the TF528, I believe. Yeah, the TF528, and as y'all just saw, this is not a butterfly knife. This is a assisted opening wannabe butterfly knife, or I won't say wannabe because it's not trying to be, but it is a look-alike butterfly knife, or it looks like a butterfly knife. But let me give y'all a close-up on it real quick. Just a plastic handle right here, and as you can see, you can still see the grease right in there where they've greased up the blade. And then you have your trigger right there. Now, this trigger is actually really fast, which is nice. You have your cadmium coated rainbow style blade right here, and you have your drop point blade on it. Large belly. This thing is actually pretty sharp to be, as cheap as it is. And one cool thing about it, well, I say cool thing, they could have probably made this back not look so much like a butterfly knife and center that belt clip, but they at least have one on here, and it's not too bad, guys. It's actually pretty beefy, but it does sit rather low, so you are going to have that much sticking out of your pocket. But guys, that's just a quick review. If you want to see a more in-depth review, look at how confused I was on that. I thought that was the trigger. Boom, that's the trigger. Bam. So guys, hope the review helped. If you want to see a more in-depth review, be sure to go check out our other channel, Product Probes, where we kind of dive into it a little bit deeper. So guys, hope it helped, and I'll see y'all in the next one.